Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be the first video for the kitchen makeover. I've already done a few things, like I've painted the tiles, I primed them all in the kitchen and also painted them. So I did the same method that I used in the utility room, so I'll link that video down below for you, but also I'll insert some clips in a second showing you me painting the tiles. But today is a big day because it is new worktop day, so I thought I would vlog this moment because I'm really excited to have new worktops. Are you excited?
It's a big moment.
It's a big moment. We went for a laminate worktop from B&Q. It's got that kind of terrazzo, stony effect, and it's more of like a beigey cream. I'll show you it in a second. And I'm really pleased with it. It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We've also gone for like an upstand as well. So where I've painted the tiles, if it's a little bit messy along the edges, hopefully that won't matter. They'll be able to cover it. Right, so let's go back a few days. I thought I would show you the before of the tiles and the worktop so you can see it's all very, very green. So before I started painting the tiles, I just gave them a little clean. I used elbow grease and this actually worked really, really well. So I've cleaned them all down and then I'm going to go in with my primer. You guys know I use this all the time now. It's the Zinza primer, and then I'm going to go in with the gloss paint. But first of all, I'm just using a paintbrush. Last time in the tiles in the utility room, I did use a roller, but this time I just painted it on with a paintbrush for the primer and it worked out fine. Okay, so I'm on to day 2 of painting the tiles now, so I'm just going in with the gloss. I'm using the Dulux Once Gloss in Pure Brilliant White. This is for wood and metal, but I'm obviously using it on the tiles, and this is how it looks so far. For the gloss, I just used a small roller brush. This is like one of the sponge rollers, and I also did use a paintbrush to go into the grout lines just to make sure I covered everywhere with the gloss. I managed to get the priming and painting done over 2 days, over 2 nap times actually, so when Orlando was napping, I did the painting. This is what the kitchen is looking like now, so as I've said, I've painted the tiles. I do need to give them another coat of gloss, but I just haven't had the time because I've done this the last 2 days. So I've painted all of these now, which look great, and the worktop's going to be changing, and then the big task is painting the cabinets, which I keep putting off. But I will do them. At the moment the dishwasher's on, so sorry about that. We're also changing the sink to like a white resin kind of sink, I think it is. Just a smaller one. I think it's smaller. So we're just going to be freshening that up because it's really old, and we're changing the tap as well. We just got like a cheap tap, but it will make it look a bit newer. But yeah, it feels bigger, doesn't it, with this so much lighter. Are you dancing? This is the theme of the video. We are excited.
That's good.
This, like, I need to give this a clean, but I'm just...
Stainless steel.
It can, yeah, I know. Yeah, I have got stainless steel cleaner, just being lazy. But anyway, eventually we're going to get some like shelves to go here, like wooden ones, I think, to like actually sit right on top of the tiles. I think that'll look quite nice, and have some like open shelving, which would look really cute. But yeah, this is the before of the kitchen, the kind of before, the semi before, because obviously it's not
so much brighter.
Green anymore
because of the tiles.
Yeah, it feels so much bigger in here, and like when you do the little under unit lights, this feels lovely in the evening. It's really, really nice. So yes, this video is going to be mainly the worktop transformation, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
And then the next one will be the cabinets and the floor. Okay, so I thought I'd pop into the garage to show you the worktop. You can't really see it. You can kind of see the finish of it. I think it's really nice. It's going to work really well with the worktop colour and the white, and also warm it up a little bit. So we've got 3 lengths of this worktop, and then we've got 3 lengths of the upstand. So I'm not sure if we'll need all of that, but just so you can see, that is the finish. So Vinny and I are just doing some homeschooling, aren't we, Vin?
Yes.
Doing some English, but I went to go into the kitchen then to go like print off some things, and like there's stuff everywhere now, so we're just gonna have to do with what we've got. I already printed off a couple of sheets this morning, didn't I?
Maths.
There's just stuff everywhere in the kitchen now. They've taken all of like the drawers out and stuff like that. I didn't realise they were going to do that, but they have. So yeah. You excited to get your work done today? Haven't got too much today actually, which is good.
Yeah, 3.
3 more bits, and then we've got 1 more week left, and then school.
And the day before my birthday.
How many days is it to your birthday, Vin?
10.
10 days, and Vinny's going to be
8.
8. I can't believe you're going to be 8.
I know.
So the worktop is all off now. This is what it's looking like. Haven't damaged the tiles at all, which is great. I'm not sure if we've got the right part for the tap yet, so we might need to get someone else to do that, but yeah, that's a little update. Okay, so it's the end of the day now and the worktops are done, so where shall I show you which side first? This side? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I love this worktop. It's got that kind of terrazzo, stony kind of effect. We've got the upstand, which works really well because it goes all the way underneath the, hold on. The upstand works really well because it goes underneath the, what is this?
Windowsill.
Windowsill. And then we've got the new sink. So we've got a white sink now.
Looks
new
nice.
tap.
Lovely.
Wow, this is snazzy.
Looks so good.
I really love it. It looks so
Really
nice.
I actually prefer this to like the Minerva one, no one else.
I know. To the plain white.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I agree. I like having a
it's
bit
like-
of texture on it.
When it's dressed, it looks really lovely.
Yeah, obviously at the moment, so we've got the tiles that are white at the moment there behind, but this orange is just throwing a different vibe out.
Yeah.
When this orange is going to be, so this is going to be Cornforth White by Farrow & Ball. Do you want to go get the little tin so we can show the colour? But look at what a transformation this is. I was a bit concerned because the worktop is thinner than like your standard worktop, but
22 mil.
it doesn't, it's fine, isn't it?
That is not the actual colour though, is it?
Cornforth White.
That colour though, isn't it?
Do you want to open the tin? So this is looking beautiful. I'm really, really pleased with it. Mark is going to change the switches so they're like not yellow anymore because they're quite old and aged. But this is just looking so good. Imagine this painted, floor done. It's going to feel like a new kitchen.
It really is.
Really, really good. I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, loving it. Gorge. Yeah, it looks really nice. But when you look at the actual worktop, it's got grey tones, beige. So I really like how it's just got all of the different tones in it. Do you know what I mean? And then this is the, so you want to put that on there.
Imagine.
Imagine if you drop it. So this is going to be the colour of the units, which you can see works really well with the different stone colours in the worktop, which is laminate, it's not real stone, but that is going to look gorgeous.
God, can't wait to do
So
this.
that's the Cornforth White in Estate Eggshell. Don't you love that colour?
Really nice.
Look how good it works with that. Excellent. So I need to put everything back and then I'll show you in the morning what it looks like. It's getting a bit darker now. I need to make the boys dinner. So I'm going to put everything back and then I'll show you again in the morning and we'll wrap it up there. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day now and I wanted to show you what the worktop looks like now. Everything is kind of back in its place and I thought I would show you where a couple of things are from as well. Whilst we're there, it looks so, so nice and it's such a beautiful day today. So let me show you what the worktop looks like and show you what's on it. Okay, so this is how we're looking. We've got our microwave over here, then we've got our fruit bowl, and then we've also got our kind of tea and coffee area, which is here. The sun is shining. We've got our little like waterfall on, which is so lovely to listen to. So I've got the window open. And then down here, we've got our kind of new sink and sink area. So the sink was from B&Q and so was the new tap as well. I also got a sink bowl for this sink. So this is by Addis and it's in the colour mushroom, I believe. And then I also got a new kind of sink tidy or for cutlery and things like that. And then this drainer as well, all from Addis. You can buy them in a set. I just bought them individually on Amazon, but I thought the colour would work really well in here because it's that kind of mushroom colour and it works really well with the worktop. So that is our sink area. And then just over here, I've got a plant pot. This plant pot here is from Home Barn, I think it's called. I ordered it online. It's a really gorgeous kind of oldie rustic pot, and then in there I've got my lemon tree, which is actually from Tesco's. I got this a year or two ago actually from Tesco's, but they are still selling them in store, so if you want to pop there in your next shop then you can get one from there. This chopping board here, this marble one, is from TK Maxx, and this plant I was actually sent with a PR package. Over here I've just got, you know, a few utensils and things like that. The utensils pot is from, let me think now. I think it may have been, oh, Sainsbury's, that's where it was from, yeah. So we've got at the moment the shelf up here, but the shelf is going to go eventually, and I'm thinking of getting some like wooden shelves to go along here. We also think we're going to paint the walls, which is why it's not like completely finished around here, so we might paint them again. I'm just waiting until we've painted the actual cabinets before I decide on a final colour for the walls, whether it needs another coat of just white or to kind of change it. So that is what we're going to go with for now. Now these are faux lemons and I just love the look of them. These are actually from B&M, so I bought them for £5 from B&M. And then this really gorgeous kind of fruit bowl is from Prideaux, and I just love that. I think it's so, so pretty. I need to get something else to kind of go in this area but for now this works fine. And then I've got my kitchen roll holder. This is from HomeSense. So that is what that area is looking like. I also wanted to show you my wax melt burner because this is so beautiful. It's handmade by a shop called Shop Ivy Jones. So I just bought it online and I just love it so much. It's so beautiful. So I've just got that on the kind of hob area over here. But yeah, look how much brighter this is looking, guys. It looks so good. For a laminate worktop, I think this is so nice. We've had laminate worktops in the past. We've had like wood effect ones, and I think this one is so nice. It's very now with the pattern that you've got on there, but it's also really timeless because of the colour. So with it being quite neutral, it's going to be able to last and look good for a long time. Let me know what you think of the transformation so far. I think it looks so good so far, and just wait for these to be painted. That is the next job, so we'll get rid of the orange in here. I think with this being so bright now, it makes this look orange, like super orange. I've also ordered a blind. I have also ordered a blind to go along here. This is such a huge window. I wanted to get Roman blind. I've just gone for like a roller blind, so when that arrives and when it's up, I will show you what it looks like. But for now, that is the update on our kitchen so far. Both the kitchen and the utility room have come so far. They look so different now to when we moved in, and once the floor has changed and obviously this final bit of painting is done, then it's just other finishing touches really. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link some items down below, such as our worktop. If you're interested in getting a laminate worktop, I'll let you know exactly the one that we've got in the description box below. If you are new around here, then make sure you're subscribed for more renovation, makeover videos, and lots of interior stuff, also lots of lifestyle as well. I would love to have you stick around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.